We're back at another Creator of the Summer event. The first one was a blast. The second one's even crazier.
Remember the life that I'm living. Forever thankful for what worked out, but all praise to the Most High. I'm beyond blessed for what didn't happen. It really ain't a thing I've been lacking. Money, woman, opportunities knocking. Only a certain vibe of people understand the levels that a young nigga talking. When is all I ever think about. The energy that I bring around. You could think of me as a Brinks truck with an old squad that don't play around. Casualties, how I lay it down. If you got a problem, you can say it now, but some thoughts better not settle out. Real G's make moves they don't announce. Phone ringing on both accounts. Fuck with me, ain't no holding out. I'm showing up and women showing out. If you know me, then you know I'm about it. Better benefit or I don't allow. When I think of life, I get so excited. My day-to-day is just so exotic. Wanna take a hit, well, my Brody got it. Like, I know I'm the one, destined to boom. Since 1221, I've been making a move. Just look at the stats, ain't nothing to prove. I do what I do, I got something to lose. I am an artist.
Anything that requires creativity and authenticity, we're about it. Go.
But they could try. How you real when you really living lies? It took a little time, but I finally realized won't nobody do it like I will. For real. Seen it come full circle, it's surreal. I'm just telling how I feel to be real. Sign sealed and deliver, yours truly the real.
Shout out to all the people that came, that will continue to come and forever mess with us. Donn life, baby.
Donn life for life.
Donn life for life.
Forever, baby. We here.
You know what I'm saying? We the wave.